SQLWorks Manufacturing is designed to help you manufacture efficiently, plan ahead, and stay in control. Multi-level bills of material help you keep a detailed catalogue of your products and their sub-assemblies, including part quantities, documentation, costs, and profit margins. You can assign parts or backflush the materials you need to manufacture efficiently, and when you buy components at a new price, your bill of materials component costs are updated automatically wherever that component is used. Detailed process routes help you plan your manufacturing right down to shop floor level, allowing you to control how new stock is manufactured. Each route is built from your saved work centres, process types and employees, creating the paths that new stock follows during assembly. Template routes store the setup and runtime expense of each step, including overheads and labour, to give you an accurate measure of the production costs of your finished goods. When you create new works orders, all your hard work then comes together. Each works order knows what components you need, how many are available, and how the finished item is to be made. To help production, your works order is produced not just with the kit, but its assigned process route, work instructions, and any other supporting documentation from the bills of material, which can be varied for more custom works orders. SQLWorks also integrates with your accounts and stock control automatically to make sure the correct stock movements, batch control, quality testing, and financial record keeping is all going on behind the scenes. For more advanced operations, a full multi-level MRP run can be performed, allowing SQLWorks to study your upcoming sales orders and other demand for parts, and to create draft purchase and works orders for the stock you'll eventually need. You can change the time horizon of your MRP run, allow purchasing to update part costs automatically, or investigate the route of demand in detail for extra manufacturing insight.